Imagine absolute silence. That's what we expect in the vast vacuum of space, right? But what if the entire universe actually hums with a faint, ancient whisper, a sound present since the very beginning? Today, we're diving into the incredible story behind this cosmic hum, the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This isn't just random noise, it's a direct, measurable echo from the Big Bang itself, revealing deep secrets about our cosmic origins. This cosmic hum is the residual radiation from the Big Bang. About 380,000 years after creation, the universe cooled enough for electrons and protons to form neutral atoms. This event, called recombination, made the universe transparent, allowing light to travel freely for the first time. In 1964, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson at Bell Labs accidentally detected this signal. No matter where they pointed their antenna, they found persistent, annoying static, ruling out terrestrial sources. Their noise was the CMB, a uniform glow from every direction in space. This discovery provided monumental evidence for the Big Bang theory, establishing it as the leading cosmological model. It was like finding the universe's first baby picture. The CMB isn't perfectly uniform. Subtle temperature fluctuations reveal the tiny seeds from which future structures like galaxies grew, offering profound insights into the early universe. Today, missions like COBE, WMAP, and Planck meticulously map these tiny variations. These detailed maps allow cosmologists to determine fundamental properties, the universe's precise age, 13.8 billion years, and its exact composition, including dark matter and dark energy. It's truly a cosmic Rosetta Stone. So, the next time you ponder the vastness above, remember the universe isn't silent. It's constantly whispering tales of its origin through the cosmic microwave background, a magnificent, ancient echo from creation itself. If you found this cosmic journey fascinating, hit that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more mind-bending science.